Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DaVinci Resolve project settings for YouTube, full guide step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project. Once your project is open, navigate to the File menu at the top left corner. Select Project Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Project Settings window, locate the Master Settings tab. Under Master Settings, you'll find the Timeline Resolution drop-down. For YouTube, set the timeline resolution to 1920 by 1080 for Full HD. If you're targeting 4K, select 3840 by 2160 instead. Next, adjust the timeline frame rate to 30 frames per second for standard uploads. For higher quality, consider choosing 60 frames per second. Scroll down to the Video Monitoring section. Here, match the video format to the resolution you selected. Next, go to the Image Scaling tab on the left sidebar. In the Input Scaling section, set the first drop-down to Stretch. For output scaling, choose Scale Full Frame with Crop for better results. Now, head to the Audio tab in the Project Settings. Set the sample rate to 48 kHz, which is ideal for YouTube content. After configuring your settings, click the Save button. Your project is now set up for YouTube. Begin editing your video with confidence knowing it's optimized. Remember to check your video format settings when you export. This ensures your final upload aligns perfectly with YouTube specifications. You're now ready to create and share your content with the world. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.